Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to talk about the topic nature naked art. My name is Deep. My full name is Nguyễn Thị Deep. I was born in Phúc Thọ district. My hometown is very peaceful. I'm 20 years old. My phone number is 0395623001. I'm a student. I study at Hanoi Metropolitan University, specialization in hotel management. I have a small family with 4 members. They are my father, my mother, my younger brother, and me. So my father is 46 years old. He is a farmer. My mother is 41 years old. She is a farmer too and housewife. My parents like listening to music and watching movies. And my younger brother is 19 years old. He is a freshman at Hanoi University of Business and Technology. He likes playing games and reading stories at midnight. My favorite hobbies are listening to teen and romantic music while reading their lyrics. So as you know, I live in a village. The weather in my hometown is very pleasant with 4 basic seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. But the summer in my hometown is not too hot because there are many trees to help reduce the heat. And my favorite season is autumn. I like autumn because the color of the trees are very beautiful and the weather is very nice. I like to go to the park or the forest. In autumn, look at the yellow, orange, red leaves. I like drinking warm tea and baking pies with my family in autumn. In addition, my favorite season is spring. The weather is very nice, warm and sunny. I like spending all day outside with my family and my friends in the spring. I like ride my bike or go hiking in the forest or on the mountain. I like look for small animals and bugs because I like look at them. I like eating hot dog and drinking smoothies at the outdoor coffee. Moreover, I like travel with my family. We always travel go on a camping trip together in early spring. So we like to sleep outside at a, a at in a tent and make campfire. That is all about my topic. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye and see you again.